Is tap water drinkable in Malta? Yes, it is. Our tap water goes through a lot of different processes before it reaches our homes, and it's constantly checked to ensure that quality levels are kept. So where does that water come from? Let's take you to the source and work our way back. Our tap water is actually a blend of groundwater, that's rainwater that has percolated through the rocks, and desalinated water, which is extracted from deep shore wells sunk in coralline limestone. Once it's extracted, it is passed through membranes under high pressure to remove the salt. This process is called reverse osmosis, and it all happens at the 3 plants around Malta, at Chircoa, Pembroke and Arlapsi, and a new one soon to be opened in Gozo, at Hondo Irumien. The water produced in these plants is pumped up to reservoirs where it is mixed with abstracted groundwater and disinfected by adding a minimum amount of chlorine. This kills any remaining bacteria in the water, but is of a low enough level not to have any effect on our health. Before the water is released from the reservoirs, samples are collected, monitored and analysed in labs. Once it's good to go, then it's yours, at home, good enough to drink. Random tests are also carried out in various households around the Maltese islands. These tests ensure that tap water is also safe for drinking after it's left any of the plants. So as you can see, there's a lot that goes into getting that water to your taps at a level of purity that's good enough to drink. Tap water consumption for drinking in Malta is one of the lowest in Europe. This isn't because of low quality water. The main reason for low water consumption for drinking is taste. This is being tackled by a major EU-funded project, the Towards a Net Zero Impact Utility project. This will improve our production and distribution of tap water while giving it a very noticeable difference in taste. The project will benefit us on many different levels by bringing better tasting drinking water into our homes, therefore reducing the amount of plastic that we consume, no more bottled water. And last but not least, it'll benefit us financially because tap water is definitely cheaper than bottled water. So as you can see, we're moving towards becoming a more water-conscious country, a country that cares about this essential natural resource. For more information, visit water.org.mt. Water. Be the change.
This project is part-financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.